Hey there, welcome back to Brian playing Train Valley Badly, episode 4. Let's get going. Alright, 120,000, no train crashes. Oh, no train in the wrong station. Okay. Oh, come on now. Well, maybe. So that's all you need. Well, you gotta wait. Unless I build a parallel track. Down. Not that it'll help me on this particular one, but in any future ones maybe. We can send you on your way as well. This one's just gonna run out of money pretty quick, I guess. But I can at least get it going as soon as this one lands. Oh, hey, look at that. Okay. Can I do this? Will it allow me? Yay! We're going green. You can go there too. And blue, you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait as well. That one is worth more money. These don't seem to slow down. Uh-oh, that's a fast one. See if we can get this one out of the way. Oh good, that's a fast one too. Hopefully it's a short one. Yay! Well, of course. See, I'm not throwing any additional... Oh my goodness. That's gonna be ugly. That's gonna be really ugly. Alright, so you can go. As can you. Now we just need somehow to count these two. Alright, so we have a green one. Let's see. Purple can go. Alright, green can go. Alright, purple is set up for purple. Oh, this is showing me an issue here. Okay. No, don't do that. Go away, go away. Alright, so how do I... Let's see, can I connect that there? Okay, very, very ugly. Very, very ugly. But we'll make it work. Let's see. Oh, there's a whole new station I didn't see. You still have no way to make this work. Oh, this is just terrible. Terrible, terrible. Alright, you need to stop. Let's see, can I build like this? Wow, that is incredibly ugly. Incredibly ugly. What do I need? Okay, so I need to earn at least 100, and I'm nowhere near it, I don't think. Alright, so blue. Okay, this is going to be one I'm going to have to redo, I think. And I have to make the decision if this is going to be a long video or if I just break it into 2 videos. So it doesn't get too boring and take too long to upload. That's the real thing. Alright, I tell you what, I'm going to wrap this up for now. The next video will be the attempt at getting this 3rd stamp. Thank you for watching. See you soon.